Hi children, today we will discuss about India Physical. The third lesson, social third lesson, India Physical. Physical means what? We have a physical body shape. As children, we have a physical body. This is our physical body shape. Like our India country also has a physical shape. See, this is our physical shape of our India. See children, see, whenever we stand facing on a map, always the top of the map shows north and bottom of the map shows south and right of the map show east and left of the map show west. So these are the main directions of India: north, east, south, west. So overall this all directions, all the surface is not same all everywhere. This is filled with mountains, rivers, land, sandy areas, plain areas, high, low areas like. So based on these physical features, our India can be divided into 6 main physical divisions. How many children? Our India can be divided into 6 main physical divisions. So let us discuss them about them one by one. See, the first one is the northern mountains. What are the northern mountains? See, these mountains are very big and having slides, having sloping sides and peaks. See, like this mountains. Highest mountain, the highest mountain peak is, highest top of the mountain is called peak. The top of the mountain is called peak. So these highest mountains can be found in the northern part of India. Where can be seen this highest mountains, children? The northern part of India. These highest mountains in the northern part of India is called Himalayas. What is Himalayas? So it is also known as home of snow because the Himalayas range is always covered with snow. It is also known as home of snow. Okay. Next, many rivers like the Ganga, Yamuna and Brahmaputra rivers are originated in the Himalayas. Okay children, these are the northern mountains. Next, second when we discuss the northern plains. What is that second one? Second division is the northern plains. Plains means large plain land, a large area of plain land. So these plains can be found in south side of Himalayas. Where children? South side of Himalayas. So in this area, many rivers flow through which start from Himalayas. The rivers all flow through this area. So these rivers take fertile soil with them. Okay. So this fertile soil is help to grow many crops. So in this area grow many crops. Can be grow many crops. So these are the plains. Next, third one is the plateau. Plateau means the southern part of India is called a peninsula. Do you know children? Peninsula is a piece of land surrounded by water on 3 sides. See, this plateau can be found in this south side of India Sea, covered with Arabian Sea in the west side, Bay of Bengal in the east side, and Indian Ocean in the south side. So 3 sides is covered with water. So this southern part of India is called plateau. This plateau is also known as table-like land also. Okay, children. In this area, this area is known as black soil, which helps to grow cotton crops. Okay, children. Next, the Great India Desert. Desert means what? Sandy area. This area is covered with full of sand. So this desert we can found in the northwestern side. What is northwestern side? One of the sub-direction. Already we have learned in the second lesson, children, this sub-directions. So this is north and east middle area. This is northeast and this is southeast and this is southwest and this is northwest. These 4 are sub-directions. So we can found this desert in the northwestern side. So desert. This desert is climate is very hot and there is very little rainfall. So any crops cannot be grown. But baboon and cactus plants only can grow in this area. Okay, so this desert is called the Great India Desert and Thar Desert. So it is lies in the state of Rajasthan. Where children? This Thar Desert is lies in the state of Rajasthan. Okay. Next, fifth one, see the coastal plains. Coastal means what? We have learned in the second lesson. Coastal area means nearest area of the sea. So we can find these coastal plains, coastal areas in these two sides. Which two sides, children? Western side and eastern side. See, western side is covered with Arabian Sea and eastern side is covered with Bay of Bengal. So this side is coastal plains is eastern coastal plains and this side is western coastal plains we can find. Okay, these plains, coastal plains area is known as black soil, is known for black soil. So here this black soil help to grow cotton crops. Okay children. Next, the islands. What is this islands? ISLANDS, it is not island children, it is called as islands. Island is a piece of land surrounded by water on four sides. See children, like this. A piece of land surrounded by water on four sides water. Like this. So we can find this group of islands in the Bay of Bengal and the Arabian Sea also. See here this group of islands we can find in the Arabian Sea are Lakshadweep Islands, and another group of islands we can find in Bay of Bengal. These are Andaman Nicobar Islands. Okay. See this next one. These are the 6 main physical divisions of India. Okay children. Now the last point we will discuss the climate. What is the climate of India? See, like different place, due to this different various places, different climate also, different places have different type of climate also. There is not same everywhere on there is not same climate also, not same in the everywhere. So because the mountains on the mountains area, the area is always very cool most of the year. Like in the plains, were hot in summers and very cool in winters. Like deserts, climate is very hot in summers and very cool in winters. And the coastal areas climate is moderate. The coastal areas have a moderate type of climate. Okay, the amount of rainfall also is not same on everywhere. It is also depend on the places and the seasons. Okay children, did you understand the Indian physical? Okay, I hope you understand. Okay children, now I will explain the exercises on your booklets. See, here given the exercise, tick the right answers. See children, first one read the world's highest mountain peak is. What is the world's highest mountain peak? First one is Mount K2, next Mount Everest, next Kanchenjunga. But where is the highest mountain? The Mount Everest is the highest mountain. So first one is option B. Second one, see children, second one, the type of soil found in the southern plateau is. Which type of soil found in southern plateau? I told you in the lesson, black soil. So the options is red, black, low. So which is right? Black. So second one also the option B is right. Next, third one, see. The Thar Desert is in the state of dash. Which state I told you lies in Thar Desert? Rajasthan. Option C, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Maharashtra. Which is right children? Rajasthan. So this is also right option is second one, B. Okay. Next exercise, see children, fill in the blanks, choose the right words from the box. See here given some options in the box. What is that? Himalayas, desert, northern, cotton, plateau. First blank read children, high mountains can be seen in the dash. Where we can found on the high mountains in which side of the India? Northern side. See. So the first one blank is northern. See children, Northern. Northern side. First blank is C. On the box is there the option. Second one, see children. Black soil is good for growing dash. Black soil is good for which crops children? Here option C is there. Cotton. 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 So the second blank is cotton. Next, third blank, see. The southern part of India is a dash. Southern part of India is called plateau. See, in the box is there the spelling. See, plateau. Third one answer is plateau. Next, fourth one, see. A dry sandy area is dash. Dry sandy area is called desert. I told you, no, in the lesson, see, desert. Second option, see. DESERT, desert. So the fourth blank, dry sandy area is called desert. Next, fifth blank, see. The last one. Dash are called as the home of snow. What are called as home of snow, children? Himalayas. The Himalayas is also known as home of snow. See, the first option, Himalayas, is fifth one answer. Okay, children? These are the exercises completed. Okay? So, watch this video carefully and practice this grammar part. We will meet in next video. Until then, bye.